Hello, I'm Buddy Siegfried, Siegfried's Restaurant Equipment. There's something I feel that you as the public should know about ventless hoods. We do install hoods, but we do not do ventless hoods. And one of the reasons for that, over the past year, we have found that ventless hoods are almost completely useless. They do not work. They still have grease in your kitchen. They do not do the job that they're intended to do. So you as a consumer be very careful about buying a ventless hood. The money you think you're saving in the beginning, you're going to pay for in the end by not being satisfied. So check with people that have ventless hoods. Get their input before you purchase a ventless hood. And you might find that the money you are spending, you're going to spend wisely by buying a regular Class 1 or Class 2 hood. Thank you.